Hi friends, today we're going to talk about a very important part of a very beautiful kitchen, which is the kitchen countertops. The countertop is the center of attraction of our kitchen, so if your countertops looks beautiful, the entire kitchen automatically looks premium and stylish. So friends, today in this video I'm going to share beautiful countertops along with the material cost, labor cost and so friends, if you are in a confused that if you want to planning to install a granite countertops in your kitchen and feeling confused about the total cost, so then this video is going to very important because today we're going to discuss everything in details like total granite cost, adhesive and fixing cost, labor charges, molding and finishing cost, and which granite is the best, ideal thickness for the kitchen platform, and many more. So friends, let's start with the cost of granite. So for this example, we are considering an L-shaped kitchen with a standard size of 10 feet by 8 feet, which is a medium size kitchen. The platform width is 2 feet, which is 24 inches. So now let's calculate the total length of the platform. One side will be 10 feet, other side will be the 6 feet. So total length will be 16 running feet. So now area equal to length into width, total is 16 into 2 will it comes 32 square feet of our area for countertop. So we have to deduct the sink area. So we are using a standard sink, single ball size of sink, which is 18 by 24 inches, which is equal to 1.5 feet. So the sink area will reduce total 3 square feet. So now subtract this from total area. The net granite area is 32 minus 3, so total it will comes is 29 square feet. So another is a front strip. So the thickness front granite is always also apply on the front visible edges called molding or skirting. So total length of the front edges is 6 feet plus 8 feet plus 2 feet plus 2 feet equal to 18 running feet, and the thickness of the slab will be 4 inches. So the total is 6 square feet. Total granite quantity will be platform area equal to 29 square feet, and the front skirting area will be 6 square feet. Total is 35 square feet. So now extra we have to add 10% wastage like cutting and fitting. So another like 3.5 square feet. Finally the quantity will be 39 square feet to 40 square feet. So friends, for a granite selections, always choose a natural granite, not the color coated, and the minimum thickness should be 14 mm or above. And another one is prefer the dark color granite, which is more durable and stain resistant. And the granite cost is average market price, premium category comes 150 rupees to 200 rupees per square feet. So let's take the maximum of 200 rupees per square feet. So the for and total per square require is 40 square feet. So the total cost for granite it will cost around 8,000 rupees, as we calculated that 200 rupees per square feet, and the total we require is 40 square feet of granite. 40 into 20, 200 is 8,000 rupees. And another cost is the adhesive. So instead of cement mortar, adhesive gives a better bonding, so go with adhesive. One bag of 20 kg covers 45 to 50 square feet, so we require one bag. The cost of each adhesive is 500 rupees each bag. Another one is araldite, which improves grip between granite and surface, so the price of araldite is 500 rupees. So friends, total material cost will be granite is 8,000 rupees, adhesive 500, and araldite is 500. So the approx total price comes is 9,000 rupees. And for labor charges for granite fixing in our area there is 30 rupees per square feet. So let's take 30 rupees. So for 40 square feet, we have to multiply 30 into 40. The price for labor charges will be 1200 rupees. And for molding from front edge works, like length is 18 running feet. So rate will be for molding, it will take you around 50 rupees per running feet. So the price comes is 900 rupees for moldings. So the total labor cost will be around like for 1200 rupees for the granite fitting, and for moldings 900 rupees. So it will cost you around 2100 rupees for the total labor cost. So the final total cost will be material cost plus labor cost. So the material cost was 9000 rupees and plus 2100 rupees for the labor charges, which is exactly 11,100 rupees. So we will take as 11,000 rupees for approx. So for a 10 by 8 feet L-shaped kitchen, the total cost of installing a granite platform comes approximately 11,000 rupees. So you can use this estimate to plan your kitchen budget friendly. So friends, if you have any queries or suggestion, feel free to comment below or message me, or you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. I will definitely reply. So friends, before you buy the granite, always measure your kitchen platform area carefully. Second, check the granite thickness, as I told you, should be 18 to 20 mm thickness, and choose right color for pattern. So granite comes in many colors and natural patterns. Another point is select the right finish. So granite finishes matter a lot for both looks and maintenance. Check the durability and strength. So these were the points to remember.